These are adhesive cord clips. And this color is the white one, but they come in other colors such as gray and clear. You can see that they come in different sizes. This one holds 5, and this one holds 4. This one holds 3. This one holds 2, and then this just holds 1. And what you do is you'll peel this backing off, like here, and then you'll place it wherever you want to keep your cables secure. And then once you have it down on, like close to your desk where you use all your cables, what you'll do is you'll just place the cable right through here. And what it does is it stays right here, so when you need it, you can just pull it out and use it. And it's always there. It doesn't slip behind your desk or behind any of the furniture, and it just stays there. And you can put up to 5 on this, or the 4, 3, 2, and 1.